This is the driver which is used to control RGB LED strips. It has 3 buttons as mode, speed and color. For today's project we need an RGB LED strip and this driver. Here LED strip has 4 pins as common positive pin, green, red and blue ground pins. Common positive pin of LED strip must be connected to the left side pin of LED strip driver. And then connect 12 volts to the strip driver. From the mode button you can change the lighting pattern of LED strip. From the speed button you can change the speed of your pattern. From the color button you can switch into single colors. So until next video, stay safe, stay subscribed.